Once again, students, good morning. And today we are here to discuss DOE Worksheet 22, Schedule 24th August 2020 from your chapter The Fundamental Unit of Life. And today we are discussing about cell organelles. Gyan asked Jigyasa Didi, what is protoplasm and how does a cell perform various processes? Jigyasa Didi replied, Gyan, as we know that every cell has at least three features. First, plasma membrane, second, nucleus, and third, cytoplasm. The fluid inside the cell that is covered by plasma membrane is called as cytoplasm. Means the cell containing fluid is covered by the cell membrane is known as cytoplasm. Apart from the nucleus, there are very minute structure present in the cytoplasm are called cell organelles, and very small minute specialized structure present in the cell are called cell organelles. The main cell organelle present in the eukaryotic cells are endoplasmic reticulum, Golgi apparatus, lysosome, plastid, vacuoles, mitochondria, etc. Each cell organelle carries out some very crucial and specific function in the cell, like production and storage of protein, lipid, energy, waste disposal, and all living part of the cell include cytoplasm, nucleus, and other organelles is known as protoplasm. Means the cell has very small cell organelles, like many cell organelles are there, like endoplasmic reticulum, Golgi apparatus, lysosomes, plastid, vacuoles, mitochondria, but all cell organelles carry their own specific function for the cell, like production of storage like storage of protein, production and storage, both production as well as storage of both protein, lipid, and energy, waste disposal, etc. They all function performed by the cell organelles in cell. The living part of the cell, including the cytoplasm, nucleus, and other organelles, is known as protoplasm. Now Gyan asks, what is metabolic processes? Then Jigyasa Didi replied, metabolic processes are those processes, the life processes by living being. Different type of chemical reactions are taking place inside the cell. Means to perform the various life processes in the living beings, very different type of chemical reactions are taking place inside the cell, and these chemical reactions, either some substances is formed like synthesis of protein, or substance is broken down to form another compound like glucose to produce energy. All these chemical reactions occurring inside this cell and are called metabolic processes. Means all the function performed by the cell through the different cell organelles are called metabolic processes, because they are related to the survival of an organisms. Okay, these are commonly taking place in the body. Metabolism is generally termed that is used to describe all chemical reaction involved in maintaining the living states of cell and organisms. Means what? Metabolic processes, these are the constantly taking place in our body. Metabolism is the general term which is used to describe the chemical reaction involved in maintaining the living state of the cell or organism. Means metabolism is that a general kind of term which is used to describe the chemical reaction taking place inside the body of organism. So student, here's the diagram of plant and animal cell. Very beautiful diagram which clearly show the cell organelles containing animal cell and plant cells. In case of animal cells, we have plasma membrane, Golgi apparatus, ribosome, cytoplasm, lysosome, mitochondria, nucleus, and centrioles and microtubules. Whereas in case of plant cell, we have a rigid cell wall. Again, outer, okay, it's there in the outer side of the cell. Then we have a cell membrane, Golgi apparatus, chloroplast, vacuole. Very large vacuole is there in case of your plant cell. Then we have mitochondria, cytoplasm. Then we have endoplasmic reticulum and ribosomes. So this is all about today's worksheet. Let's do practice exercise. We have you have to draw first question, neat and label diagram of plant and animal cell, and label is important cell organelles. You can draw easily from here. Second, what are the metabolic processes given? Examples: all these chemical reactions occurring inside the cell are known as metabolic processes. These are constantly taking place in the body. So metabolism is generally term used to describe a chemical reaction involved in maintaining the living state of the cell organisms. You can write from here. And second, the example, protein synthesis is example of metabolic processes, as well as cellular respiration, you can also say, is the process of metabolic reaction. Okay, difference between plants and animal cells, students, you can easily plant cell and animal cell, you can easily differentiate. First, chloroplast is present, chloroplast absent. Second, cell wall present, cell wall absent. Okay, cilia and flagella are present, but in case of absent. We have lysosome and peroxisome present, absent. Okay, so and vacuole is very important. Large vacuole is present, small vacuoles are present in case of animal cells. So this is about the difference between plant cell and animal cells. Where is this cytoplasm located? Cytoplasm is spread throughout the cell, so it is in the cell only. Okay, so this is all about today's worksheet. So I hope you understand it very well. If you really understand it, do like, share with your friends, and subscribe the channel, those who have not subscribed yet. Thank you, bache.